Hi guys, this is Sensei Ian showing this week's Best of the Best in CodeAthon round number 5. So I'm going to start off by showing our beginner project, and this one here was brought in by Matthias. The object of this week's activity was to create a celebration card. So it was a very creative process, and there's a lot of ways that a ninjas could have gone. But in this case, he built us a birthday card. So what I like about it is the idea that there's an event. Click this if it's your birthday. Well, it's not my birthday, but I can click it in this. I don't know if you can hear it, but he's inserted some happy birthday music, which I thought was kind of cool. And a little bit of instruction here to make sure, hey, you got to make sure you eat all the food. Great job, Matthias. So the next project I want to show is our intermediate project. So our ninjas had a choice of a number of intermediate projects and make an Etch-a-Sketch, which I thought was super cool. But I like this one here. So the kids had to make a choose your own adventure type of activity. And this one submitted by Evan is fantastic, and probably even more so because Evan's only 6. So I was super impressed with this. But the idea here, choose what you want to learn. So you can choose whether it's the solar system or the world map. I'll choose the solar system. So this seems like a pretty straightforward exercise, which is kind of cool. I like that. So you brought in these elements of where I've got to now move the sprites around. It tells me it's correct. And now you just tell me it's correct, let's cross it off to tell me that, hey, you've done that one. And then I like this little addition here to the home key. Like, oh, okay, I can go back and I can go to the world map. And there's this. So even though it looks like a simple game, there's so many elements that Evan put into this. And no doubt he put a lot of time into it. So that was a great job, Evan. So I'm looking forward to seeing the round 6 activities. The week 6 intermediate is a really fun one. One of them is to build a Frogger, or I think most people call it Crossy Road type of game. So looking forward to seeing some projects this week. Everybody take care, stay safe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.